Hello everyone, I'm Sanglap and welcome back to Snow-Loft Corporation. We are a team of passionate developers highly interested in providing quality games. In this video, we are going to talk about our game SpaceTrishit. So now let's check how we managed to create it.
Snow-Loft Corporation.
We code to entertain.
This game was created by using Python only. We used Pygame module to create the display and the math module for advanced calculations, random module for generating random positions of enemies, and OS module for hiding the Pygame hello message. So next we had to set up the basic properties like the background and the background music, and after that the icon and the title. After that we imported the player icons and the enemy icons in Pygame, and here are some properties of the missiles, like you can see the positioning like the state. And after that here we set a for loop which draws 10 enemies on screen. Next here you can see there are some font properties, and after that here is the widget system where we show our score and the copyright of us, that means Snow-Loft. And after that here you can see the game over section. When the player loses, the game over section will appear. This game over section just simply deletes all the objects on screen and prints the game over message in a custom text. After that there are just some basic functions here you can see, and after that you can see here is the fire function which the player uses to destroy the enemy UFOs. And after that here you can see the main section, I can say. Here is the collision which calculates if the missile is overlapping the enemy, and as soon as the missile overlaps the enemy, it destroys the enemy along with the missile. So here you can see this is the calculation, and here you can see here is the while loop, and it checks every key press of the player and act according to that. So here you can see if the player presses the left key, the player moves to left, and if presses the right, it moves to right. And here you can see the space bar when as soon as the player presses the left, but if the bullet is not launched, I mean the missile is not fired, the bullet is fired. And here you can see here is an audio effect plays also. So here you can see here are some border properties, and here you can see when the player kills an enemy, another one spawns. So this is the code of that, and here you can see we call those functions, and these are bullet states, and this is how the game works. So I hope you understand how the game actually works. I hope you have liked the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like it and also share us to support us, and finally don't forget to subscribe. That's it. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.
Snow-Loft Corporation.
We code to entertain.